Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 product FAQ plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the Shopware 6 admin to display frequently asked questions to any product on its product page. The FAQ tab will appear after the reviews tab on the product page, and only one answer will be displayed for one question. The admin can set up the FAQ for any specific product as per the requirement there. So all in all, this particular plugin helps to add product FAQ menu into the catalogs. Customers can get product related FAQs on the product details page. The admin can set FAQ to any particular product as required. The admin can add any number of FAQs. Customer doubts regarding the products will get solved. Latest added FAQs will be visible at the top of the list there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin, that's the Shopware 6 product FAQ plugin at the customer workflow end, and I'll show you the section on the product page where the FAQ appears to the customers and how they can view the questions and answers there. And I'll take you through the admin workflow wherein I'll be showing you how to add the FAQs to specific products from the admin backend panel, how to enable or disable the particular FAQs for a product as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the web store front end on one of the product pages. That's the main product. And here we have the description, reviews, and then we have the FAQ section. Now in the FAQ section we can see the latest edit FAQs at the top to the customers along with the answers for the same. So if is gift wrapping available for this particular product? Yes, available, but it will be charged extra. Is it 100% pure cotton? Yes, it's 100% pure cotton. Now it depends upon the admin how many product FAQs does the admin want to add for a particular specific product there, and all of those enabled ones would be visible under the FAQ section to the customers there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the workflow there at the admin's end. For that, I'll be logging into the admin backend panel for the Shopware 6 by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. Now after the successful login, what we need to do is we need to navigate through settings, extensions, and product FAQ. And here you'll find the complete list of FAQs that you've created for the different products. So here you can see that here we have two different products. One is the main product having 3 FAQs, and main product free shipping with highlighting 3 different FAQs have been created for that, 3 for this one and 3 for this one. So here's the is it 100% pure cotton, is gift wrapping available? Yes, available but charged extra. The same is visible here. Is gift wrapping available? Yes, available, but it will be charged extra. Is it 100% pure cotton? Yes, it is 100% cotton. For the main product, we also have one more. Will we exchange within a week? In how many times will we exchange? So I can tap here. I can tap on the edit button. I can scroll down. I can enable the status for the same. I can save it up. The FAQ has been saved and enabled. Now let me refresh the product page and let me go to the FAQ section. And here you can find in how many times we will exchange within a week there. Now let me show you the procedure of adding a new FAQ for a particular product there. So to do so, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add FAQ button that you can see on the top right hand corner. Just tap that up and that will bring up the product FAQ section as you can see here. So the very first thing that you need to do here is to select a particular product. So you can enter the name of the product, or if it's visible straightforward there, you can select that particular product. So we'll add a new FAQ for the main product itself, the main product that we are viewing at the store front end. And we'll set up the question here and the answer for the same. So let me set the question here. Is this product washable? Yes, it's washable. I'll set the status for this as enabled. I'll tap here on the save button to save the particular FAQ. Now if I go back, here you can see that one more FAQ has been added here. Is this product washable for the product main product? Yes, it's washable is the answer. It's the status is active right now. If I want, I can delete it or I can edit it as well as for my own requirement. Now if I refresh the product page, that's the main product there at the storefront, and I go to the FAQ section, you can see the latest one is visible at the very top. Is this product washable? Yes, it's washable. Now if I want to edit it up, I can edit it up. Yes, it's washable, and you can wash it as many times as you want. I can edit it up, I can save the particular FAQ, I can go back, I can refresh the web page first there, and yes, it's washable and you can wash it as many times as you want. So that's how this particular plugin works. That's the Shopware 6 product FAQ plugin, and this plugin allows the Shopware 6 admin to display the frequently asked questions to any product on its product page. The FAQ tab will appear after the review tab on the product page, and only one answer will be displayed for one question there. The admin can set up the FAQs for any specific product as per the requirement there, and the latest edit FAQs will be visible at the top of the list within the FAQ section there on the product page itself, as you can see here. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 product FAQ plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same, of how the customers can access the FAQ section there at the product page by navigating to the FAQ section, and there they'll find all of the questions that have been set up along with the answers for the same by the admin, and how the admin would be able to basically add the FAQs to a particular product by navigating through settings, extensions, product FAQs, and tapping on the add FAQ, selecting the product to which he wants to add the FAQ to, setting up the question and answer, and enabling the FAQ there by choosing the status as enabled and tapping on the save button thereafter. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 product FAQ plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.